travel restriction, we had to rethink the way how we are installing and deploying our software. We have many customers, which allows us to access their environment remotely, but there are some very specific customers such as bank or national security agencies where we have no remote access at all. That's why we are using a combination of KVM switch and industrial router that allows us to receive remote screen as a stream and send keystrokes and mouse moves to the host computer.
So imagine this is a client workstation at some secure premises. With this workstation you can connect towards some high secure backend. Therefore, we simulate that this workstation is not connected to internet. You can see it's on airplane mode. And using only these two devices, we can actually transmit over secured VPN the screen, and also as optional, we can also use a keyboard and a mouse over the secured internet, over the secured VPN. Sorry. So let's see if I try to type something. I can see it almost immediately on the other side. So this delivery workstation can be placed anywhere in the world, and again using these two devices and over the secured VPN, it works both ways. So if I type something here, you can almost see it immediately on the other side.
The whole setup has been designed so that we don't need to install any software on the host PC. We are also not using any third-party service, something like a TeamViewer or Amazon Web Services. And our router is directly connected to our local network via VPN, so the connection is secured.